Okay, I just pushed it.
Ready?
All right, let it rip.
We're letting it rip. We're letting it rip.
Here, Chris.
Wrong lighter.
All right, come on, let's do it.
Yeah, run, Forrest, run. Oh, that's it.
That last one.
Now, these are the two bigger ones coming up.
Biggest ones.
All right.
He's through this. Oh, that one didn't do a whole lot. Wait a minute, because it's still burning. All right, one more.
Alright. This one's the longest, biggest.
Okay, set it right in the middle.
Here we go.
With 2, 1, go.
One.
That's going to shoot off some more here in a minute. Whoa! No, it's not done. Oh! That was pretty good. That was good.
The bait for last.
Uh-oh, it's on. Everybody.
Oh, there's some more.
It's gonna take off.
Uh-oh,
There you go. Hide behind something. How's the kids?
oh, look, Chris, look. Oh! Whoa! Thanks for coming out. He won.